is my favorite region. Come, let's go. So meet my friends
Ondiro
and
Vanessa.
And guys, we are going hiking. I'm paying 90 cedis. So you pay more if you are going to go to the upper falls. So the lower falls is how much? 15 cedis. Oh. Wli Waterfalls is the highest waterfall in Ghana and the tallest in West Africa. It's locally called Agomacha, which means allow me to flow. It's located in the Volta region, about 4 hours drive from Accra.
40-45 minutes to the lower falls.
Okay.
And we're crossing 9 bridges on the way. And the Wli Falls is the highest waterfalls in West Africa. And we are if we talk about the height, we are the 3rd highest waterfalls in the world. If we talk about the big or the size of it, we are the 4th biggest waterfalls in the world. We have the 1st highest waterfalls in the world. It is in Venezuela, called Angel Falls. Then we have the Victoria Waterfalls between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Then we have Wli Waterfalls over here. But if you talk about the biggest one, we are the 3rd. We are the 4th, because we have the Niagara Falls between America and Canada. Very big, very
wide, yeah.
Then we have again we go to the Angel Waterfalls and come to the Victoria Waterfalls. So if you talk about the height, we're the 3rd. You talk about the size
width.
Then we are the 4th in the world. And the height of the lower falls is 143 meters.
Okay.
Not above the sea level, because we are already at the top. You know? If you watch the Ghana map or you study Ghana map very well, it starts from here all the way from the north down to the coast. So we are already at the top. Yeah. And both waterfalls is having a swimming pool, which you can swim inside. And at the lower falls, we have the fruit bat, 1,000+ of them hanging on the rocks over there. A lot over there. And then when you go into the upper falls, it's hiking, and you're going to sweat a lot like pregnant fish. I always say this. Yeah. So when you go into the upper falls, you'll be taking a lot of pictures as
we go.
Yeah, as we go.
For somebody who has been here several times, this place doesn't get boring. And it's in the rainy season, so this is the best time to even come. The whole place is green. How long have you been doing this, Wisdom? Anyway, guys, this is our tour guide. Can't you see how handsome he is? He's called Wisdom. And Wisdom, how long have you been doing this?
9 years now.
9 years now. Wow. And guess what? We are all in sneakers. This is my shoe. And look at him. He's wearing slippers. Why are you wearing slippers? Oh, you're used to it.
Yeah, first of all, I'm used to it.
He's comfortable with the slippers. So, yeah, let's go. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm gonna test, like, this is where I become a Kenyan. This is where my Kenyan genes come through. I have to show the Ghanaian and the Nigerian that Kenyans are runners.
All right.
I am representing a whole country.
I like the energy. Vanessa.
I'm the Nigerian, I'm the lazy one, guys.
Okay.
I'm excited about the waterfall, but not about the hiking part.
Okay, let's go.
It's about to be exciting.
Yay! So the place has changed. This is a recreational facility here for kids, for sitting. This is the second bridge. So we are going to use another route. There are so many routes to the upper falls. We are going to use one of these routes, and yeah, this is how it looks. This is like a small trail from here And I really like the sound. Guys, listen closely.
It's so calming. It has
So,
a calming effect. Oh
you
my
know,
God. I'm
it's
really
so
excited.
calm, relaxing, and yeah.
You know turmeric?
Turmeric.
Yes, I know turmeric.
This is turmeric.
This is turmeric plant.
Yeah.
Oh, I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's
So guys, this is what
Oh, wow.
amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Fresh turmeric.
yeah.
I'm taking this
I will
home.
need this.
Okay.
I'll put all of this.
Very,
We
very,
call
very,
it tear gas.
This is pepper. This is a young one.
very, 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 very hot.
It's not young, oh, this is ripe already.
It's not ripe. It's
And then this one is not planted by anybody, by the
why?
birds,
Okay.
by animals. Yeah, yeah. Very, 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 very. Hey,
Very
don't joke.
spicy.
Don't joke. Don't joke with it.
So we've really started hiking. We keep going higher and higher and higher. And yeah, the trails are so beautiful. The fact that you get to see so many vegetables, fruits, and yeah, this is a palm tree. So we have sticks to help us. Here, take one. And this is what we are going to be using.
So they give us walking stick.
It's not easy at all.
Oh my goodness.
We are now starting, and it feels as though this is the view from here. How do you feel?
Good.
She says she feels good. Let's go, guys. This is our first rest stop,
Don't follow.
and the view here is so beautiful.
Get here. Just raise it like this. Go down. Go in.
So take this up, and yeah, there we go.
Nigeria cannot carry last. The Kenya is the last one.
The Kenyan who's not even using a stick. The Kenyan who's not sweating. The Kenyan who's taking their videos. This lady's okay. Okay.
Just to the top. That's
So
the top.
we are almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there. And then the rest are not difficult again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Stella.
About some 10 minutes
we
walk
didn't
are not
record.
difficult. From here, it's difficult to get to the top over there. But the rest, about 10 minutes walk is not difficult. Then from there, if you still have the capacity, then you start the rail.
Wow, this is amazing.
It's amazing.
Just look at the view behind me.
Oh my goodness, I'm seeing this for the first time.
Yeah?
Since I've just been looking for
This is so beautiful.
my God.
Very breathtaking. Is this worth it? A big yes. We are almost there. So, this is the view. Guys, look at the distance we've been able to cover. We came from the town here and we've been walking up the mountain.
really proud of myself.
And now we are here. Cheers, guys!
Hey!
Time for a water break. Cheers, guys. I needed this that much. I could drink water all day here. The view is breathtaking, and the fact that the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. I love it here. I'll encourage everyone, anytime you come to Wli Waterfalls, don't only go to the lower falls, climb up. Because, yeah, if you're a hike person, this is a must. So after an hour hike, we made it to the first upper fall, but we couldn't continue to the upper falls because we were all tired. The upper falls is going to take another extra 1 hour 30 minutes to get there, depending on how fast we are. We couldn't make it. We just had to stop here and enjoy the view. We are heading back to the lower falls, which is going to take another hour depending on how fast we go. Hi guys, we are currently descending back. I really like the atmosphere here. The place is so beautiful. So if you are a really hike person, you can go to the upper falls. This is like the first upper fall. There's another upper falls where you see the shorter waterfall, and then you can swim. But we are not so much of a hiker, so this is where we ended up, and the place is so beautiful. If you can't do the upper, I encourage you to do what we did. It is stressful, but not that stressful. You can do it. I did it. You can do it. So let's go back and head back to the waterfall. I hope you're excited. I hope you're enjoying this vlog. Let me know so far if you're enjoying this video. Let's go.
I can trust you guys enough.
So we are descending, and I've decided to take you guys along. The view is, I just keep saying, the view is breathtaking. The view is. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This is also a cassava plant if you haven't seen some before. Yeah.
This is coffee.
This is coffee?
Yep.
Oh, this is how it looks like?
Yep.
Oh, is it matured enough?
Yeah, but when it's ready to pluck, then it will turn to something like red.
Red. Oh, okay. So for all the coffee lovers, here you go.
This is coffee. Yeah.
Ah, I'm not really a coffee person, so you won't get me on that.
The smell of coffee.
You heard the smell of coffee?
Yeah.
Ah. The waterfalls, and it's so beautiful. So I'm changed into my bikini. You guys remember this bikini? I rocked it in Bali. So I'm here about to take some pictures and enjoy nature. Come along, let's go. And oh, mind you, the water is so cold. It's so cold. Even though this is the best time to come, it's also so cold. Wasn't able to fly the drone here. It kept giving me bad signal. So yeah, this is Wli Waterfalls, and I love it here. Woo! But guys, this is not a swimmable waterfall. There are a lot of rocks here, so you might as well as come here with your rock shoes. I'm ready. It's time to go back, and it's going to take another 30 to 40 minutes more, depending on how fast you go. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. So all too soon, we are heading back to where we started. And yeah, this is the first bridge we have just crossed. 8 more to go. Catch you on the other side. How many? Ah, that's the second one. Oh, so we have 6 more to go. Yeah. Guys, this brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed documenting my entire experience. I'm done. I had some mangoes. I also have here some boiled granite, and yeah, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section which part you enjoyed most. Until next time on my next video, I love you all from the Volta region. Mwah.